Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called haptics, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we can tap on strength, and we have list of vibration intensity levels. We have off. If you select this one, the vibration will be turned off. If you select soft, the vibration will be weaker, and if you select strong, the vibration will be stronger. And once you're done and you select the one you like, you can tap on OK. As you can see, now it's set to strong, and then we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.